Here's a picture of probably the deadliest thing I have ever made in my entire life. Yeah. It made a big bang. How big of a bang, you may ask? Well, this is a freeze frame from when it first went off. Yeah, that boat's probably about 100 yards away, and it lit it up completely. This is the next frame in the sequence, so pretty much 1/30th of a second after that last picture you saw. This is another freeze frame, and you can see the boat still lit up. Yeah, I'll get to the video right now.
Alright, so here we go. Here's bomb.
Number 3.
No, looks like what, like number 5?
No, this is number 3.
Here we go.
This is gonna be fucking huge. If it was.
I know I didn't mention this before, but don't fucking do this yourself. This is so bad of an idea. Also, just to give you some scale, I took apart 6 artillery shells and put all the flash powder and gunpowder into this bottle and taped it up. And that is how big this damn thing is. It is huge.
Can we go shut off the lights up there?
No, I kind of need it.
Close mine off. Or shut mine off.
Run, dude, run!
Please don't go out. Please don't go out.
Still on.
Work. No!
So at this point, what had happened is the fuse that I lit, I tied 2 fuses together. So the fuse that I lit first went up to the second fuse, but didn't ignite it and just kind of pissed off somewhere. As you saw the little thing go blah, 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 blah. So yeah, now we just have a shorter fuse on the firework, as I'm gonna call it.
Your fuse broke out.
No, that was only on the first fuse. The fuse I tried to not fuse didn't.
Ouch.
Ah!
How do you? Nope.
Oh, fuck no. Can you tie another one on there?
Nope.
Here, I get a light.
Oh.
Here, no, keep the camera rolling. Keep the camera rolling. I need a light to go over and check it. Because I know exactly what I think happened. I think the fuses came off. Alright, Madeline, you want to go over there?
Yeah.
No!
No, don't, Madeline.
So that's why they're dating.
Yeah, pretty much. I just don't want, you know, we're gonna end the party if that happens. The lighting is bomb.
Oh yeah, no, if it blows up and like hurts them both, then yeah.
Okay, we've
Yeah.
got it on video that we've told them not to do this
Yeah.
stuff.
Ooh. Don't do it.
It's too late.
It's too late here. Fuck.
I don't want you guys hurt.
I'm not getting hurt. Don't worry about me.
Well, I mean, like those two.
Yeah. Oh no, those two are fucking
Madeline should at least
insane.
stay over here.
Run!
Guys,
This is it!
Shit. Shit. Please.
Begging you! Christ's sake.
here, let's go work on this.
Why? Why do you
Hey.
fucking Yeah! Yeah!
Hey guys.
Did we break windows?
No.
The tree isn't on fire, right?
No, they're good.
No.
It's just smoking
That
a
would
little
be
bit.
really bad.
Yeah!
Did you crap yourself? You okay? You okay?
Wait, did I get on video?
Yes.
Yes!
So yeah, that's what happened. Don't ever, ever, ever do this at your house. Ever. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm TitanGrow51, the idiot. Hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications and shit. And peace out. Also, I hope you all had a kick-ass awesome 4th of July.